This is not just a flashlight, it can actually start a fire. Don't believe me? Watch. You take this ignition lens, pull it up. So this would definitely come in handy if you're out in the woods somewhere. It does take a little bit longer, but Tinder will do the same thing. So it has a high beam, a medium beam, and a low beam, and then it goes into strobe, and then it actually does SOS. So if you're in distress and you need to flag somebody down, this would be perfect. You can charge it right here by USB-C, and then if you need to charge a different device like your phone, there's a USB port there, so this can actually charge something else. So it doubles as a battery bank. It's waterproof, stormproof, and freeze-proof. It has a pull zoom here, so you can control how narrow or wide the beam is, and when you point it up in the sky, it looks like a pillar of light shining into the sky. Or you can zoom out and see a wide range of everything around you. So whether you're spotting hazards in the distance or lighting up your tent or starting a fire, this is a great tool. I'm going to put the link for this product down in the description. If you click that link and add in this code, you'll get an extra 20% off.